Hi there, it's Amanda from the Natural Hormone Solution, and today we're talking about weight gain, right? January is that time of year that everyone wants to release those extra few pounds that creep up during the holiday season, and how we can get into our best, most confident selves to really feel the most energy, to feel good in your clothes, right? And to release that feeling of exhaustion, that feeling of just dragging by the afternoon, by the end of the day. This is one of the most common symptoms that I experience in working with women with hormone imbalance. And it's important to identify within your unique body if it's a matter of, an insulin factor that's driving weight gain and or a thyroid issue. So we have to look at some of the different hormones, looking at thyroid hormone, looking at insulin to see if it's a matter of insulin resistance or cortisol. Sometimes I've seen a lot during COVID. A lot of us were under additional stress, a lot of uncertainty, a lot of changing dynamics and relationships, and we had really high elevated cortisol curves. And now, about 6 months, 12 months, 18 months later, our cortisol is significantly suppressed, and that's going to impact thyroid health as well. So if you're interested in finding out what is actually going to be the most effective for your unique body, then I definitely encourage you to tune in and join us for our upcoming 10-day thyroid and hormone reset experience. It's so powerful. I love doing this because it's amazing how within just a 10-day window of time, if you show up, if you participate fully, and if you come with an open mind to really learn and to really start to take baby steps in a new direction, how much you can quickly impact your health and the vitality, the energy that you feel. So I'm so excited for this. We start on Monday. Every day we're going to be meeting for an hour together to celebrate, to feel inspired, to feel clear, and understand what's going to be the most incremental mover for your body. Join us there, and we'll see you soon.